My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Tycx. This Tycx is a new ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. Tycx ransomware actually encrypts files and damages them considerably. My video, however, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will simply show you the damage that can be caused by this ransomware. So before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and then very soon users understand and realize that they just cannot access their data anymore because of this Tycx ransomware and its negative impact on the system. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Tycx extension to the file names. So very soon users notice that these bad changes have taken place and that they cannot access their files because of this Tycx extension that was additionally appended to the file names. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get this message. Windows can't open this type of file with this Tycx extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a certain ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of a reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. You will see the summary of the threats at the end of the scanning. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the files from being damaged in the future with the help of this anti-ransomware feature. Anyway, at the end of the scan, as I said, you'll see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.